Let's see this question. The area of a rectangle is equal to the area of a square whose diagonal is 12 root 6 meters. The difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle is 6 meters. Then what is the perimeter of the rectangle? So they are saying that area of a square and area of a rectangle both are equal. So we know that area of a rectangle is L into B, and area of a square is, if diagonal is given, it is d square by 2, right? So this is what we can understand. So L into B equal to d square by 2. Now this d is given, right? Now finally what they are asking is to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So we are supposed to find out 2 into L plus B, but L and B are not given directly. So according to the equation, they have given L into B. From this we can compute it. And the other one is they are saying that the difference between length and breadth is 6 meters, which means L minus B is equal to 6. This is what is given. Okay. Now let's try to see what is L into B. Now L into B is d square by 2. So d square by 2 is 12 root 6 whole square divided by 2. Now if you simplify this, you are going to get 432 square meters. This is L into B. Okay. And also we got L minus B. L minus B is 6 meters. Okay. So in order to solve it, there are various ways of solving it. So better thing is you find out what L plus B is. See this? I can write L plus B whole square as L square plus B square plus 2LB. Right? Now I can write this 2LB as, this 2LB can be written as minus 2LB plus 4LB. Right? Now if you observe this, a square plus b square minus 2ab, in that form it is, right? Therefore you can write it as L minus b or b minus L, anything, L minus b whole square plus 4lb, right? Since it is a square, L minus b or b minus L, it doesn't matter. So what is L minus b? L minus b is equal to 6. So 6 square plus 4 into LB, we already know it. So 4 into 432. So this entire amount is going to be 1764. Therefore L plus B is equal to square root of 1764. So this is going to be 42 meters, right? So L plus B is 42. Then what happens to 2 into L plus B? 2 into L plus B is going to be 84, right? So 2 into L plus B is 2 into 42, which is nothing but 84. So 84 meters is the answer. That is the perimeter. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkey's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkey, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkey is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkey. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.